Simula po nung sumali po kami dito sa Mapandan Talent Circle, marami po kami natutunan tulad ng nakikisama po sa bawat participants po sa Mapandan Talent Circle and na-enhance po yung pakikisama namin sa bawat isa.
We were victims of the night, the chemical, physical, kryptonite. Help us to the base and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said, you're holding back. She said, shut up.
Friendship. May nabuong friendship po sa amin. Kahit na may mga hindi po kami kilala, hindi po namin masyadong ka-close. Nagiging ka-close po namin dahil dito sa bino nilang contest.
Yung pagbago na nangyari sa amin, kami as a cousin, parang yung bonding naming dalawa is parang mas na-develop. Tsaka, naging mas close kaming dalawa.
I love you all. Naalala ko nga po yung sabi ni Kuya Janos, aming director po dito sa Mapandan Talent Circle, na hindi lamang po kailangan ng maraming karamahan sa buhay, dapat po may tiwala ka sa sarili para mabot mo yung mga pangarap mo.